Meaning of gammy.
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 Gammy. Gammy is an informal British term used to describe something that is not functioning correctly or is impaired in some way. It is typically used to refer to a physical disability or injury that causes limping or difficulty in movement. The term can also be used to describe something that is faulty or broken, such as a machine or appliance. In essence, it denotes a sense of inadequacy or suboptimal performance. The use of gammy as a descriptor conveys a sense of informality and colloquialism, and is often employed in casual conversation among friends or family.